In this video, we're taking a look at one of the cheapest red dots that we could find on Amazon. Coming up. Welcome to the 7th group. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Now today, we're going to unbox and take a look at one of the cheapest red dots that we could find on Amazon. So further ado, let's dive down and get into this. We found this on Amazon for $24.97. The link will be in the description. There's the front of the box, side of the box. HRG-0000-00. One piece. In this little packet, we got a owner's manual, Pinty Dot site instructions, electro dot site instructions. We get a little cleaning cloth. We get 2 Allen keys and a battery, CR2032. And then the unit itself. Whoop. What we have here, a product card. There's the unit. That's aluminum. So let's go ahead and get a battery in this. I hope I'm putting that in correctly. Here's our elevation adjustment, our windage adjustment, Picatinny rail. Down here we can change our optics from a circle to a cross, a circle, and a dot. Over here on the right, we can switch it from green to red. Here on the right on the knob, we have an off position. And then we turn it back towards us for the green, for the brightness. Then you go to the off position and you go the other way, counterclockwise, for the red reticle. Let's see if I can get this to where you can see that reticle. There you go. There's off. And there's the green. Here's the other reticle. And then the circle. And then the dot. Not quite sure if you can see that dot. But let's go back here. So let's go back up top. Now for this being a 2497 red dot, does not feel too bad. The build quality seems pretty good on it. Steel on the bottom, no plastic, or maybe not steel, but aluminum. The knob seems nice and tight. The reticle looks good in red and the green. Easy adjustments. So we're going to have to see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my 15 and sight it in and see how we make out. Don't know if it'll hold center though. You know, with some of these cheaper red dots, they'll work good till you put a couple hundred rounds on them and then they start losing center. So there you go, the Pinty 2497 red dot off of Amazon. The link will be in the description. If you like the video, give it thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, peace out.